Okay, let's continue with Rig Vedic period, starting from geographical area. The Rig Veda is only source of knowledge of this period. From the names of river, mountain, Himawat, Himalaya, Manuzvan, that is Hindu Kush, and ocean in Rig Veda, we have a clear idea of the geographical area Rig Vedic people lived. मेंशन 40 रिवर, यहाँ मैं हाईलाइट करते जाता हूँ. 40 रिवर का मेंशन किया गया है. नदी सुक्ता हाइम्स ऑफ ऋग्वेद मेंशन 21 rivers which include the Ganga and in the east and the Kabul in the west. काबुल में ही at Attock, Indus meet Kabul river. This is 69th BPSC question. Okay, so Kabul river, Attock. Rig Vedic period, who called themselves Aryans, were confined in the area which came to be known as Saptasindhu, land of seven rivers. Saptasindhu comprised Sindhu and their 5 tributaries: Vitasta, Askani, Bipas, Parusni, and Saraswati. According to Rigved, the most mentioned river Sindhu. सबसे ज्यादा मेंशन गंगा नहीं, सिंधु है, यानी कि सिंध यानी कि इंडस. The most pious river Saraswati mentioned गंगा one time, यमुना 3 times. अब आते हैं बैटल ऑफ दसराजन वार, द बैटल ऑफ 10 किंग्स. ये हुआ था ऋग्वेद में. वार होता है आर्यंस. द दसराजन वार गिव्स नेम्स ऑफ द 10 किंग्स हु पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द वार अगेंस्ट सुदास, हु वाज अ Bharata king of Tritus family. The ten kings were of the states of Purus, Yadus, Anus, Dhruvyus. तो यहाँ से भी पीटी क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन जो लोग नहीं देखते हैं. along with 5 other, that is Alinas, Paktas, Balnas, Sivis, Ishanins. The battle was fought on the bank of Parusni. ये क्वेश्चन तो आता है, लेकिन ये सब कर दी. ये जो ट्राइब 10 किंग्स कौन कौन है, यहाँ से एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. विच सूदास इमर्ज विक्टोरियस, हरा देता है. लेकिन मैं यहाँ फिर पे आता हूँ, दो 10 किंग कौन से हैं, एक बार और रिवाइज करते हैं क्लैरिटी के लिए. अगर क्वेश्चन बनता है, अगर फंसता है तो ये मेहनत काम आएगा. पुरुष, यदूस, तुर्वासास, अनुस. तो यहाँ देखिए अस 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 अस, तो ये तो याद रहेगा कि सु अस, तो सुदास अस. along with 5 others, Alinas, As, As, Sivis, Inis. तो अलिनास, पक्तास, भलनास, इज, इन. तो अस, एज, इन, अस, एज, इज, इन. शायद ये मेरा काम आ जाए किसी एग्जाम में. अस, एज, इज, इन related to 10 kings. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. पारुसनी रिवर पे सुदास दसराजन. आई होप मैं जो बोला इससे कुछ हद तक याद रहे. पुरुष, यदूस, एज, एस, एज. देखिए मैच तो किया. Polity, the Kula, the family was the basis of both social and political organization of the Kula were the Grama, Vish, Jana and Rashtra. तो कुला सबसे नीचे आता है. The group of Kula families form a Grama, village and so on. तो कुल the family, कुल सबसे basis of the both social and political organization. यहाँ देखिए कुल, ग्राम, विश, क्लैन, जना, राष्ट्र. फिर से एक बार बोलते हैं. कुल, ग्रामा, विश, जना, राष्ट्र. कुलपा, ग्रामनी, विशपति, गोपति, राजन. राजन, गोपति, विशपति, ग्रामनी, kulpa. Regarding the form of government, it was a patriarchal nature. Monarchy was normal and but non-monarchical politics were also there. The Rashtra was ruled by King Rajan, and the royal descent was hereditary based on the law of primogeniture, probably elective monarchy, or also known. Very little is known about the minister of the king, the Purohita. The Purohita or domestic priest was the Purohit बोलते हैं, the first ranking official. He was the king preceptor, trained philosopher guide. Other important trained philosopher guide कौन है? कैग का PAC और कैग होता है पब्लिक पर्स. ट्रेन फिलोसफर गाइड याद आया ये टर्म? पॉलिटी से कनेक्ट कर दे रहा हूँ लेकिन ठीक है. द अदर इंपॉर्टेंट रॉयल ऑफिशियल वर सेनानी, आर्यंस. तो काट देता हूँ, पता नहीं स्ट्राइक डाउन ना कर दे. एंड ग्रामीणी, हेड ऑफ द विलेज. द आर्मी कंसिस्टेड ऑफ द फुट सोल्जर्स एंड चैरियोट्स. वुड स्टोन, बोन एंड मेटल्स वर यूज्ड इन वेपन्स. मेटल यहाँ आ चुका है, याद रखना है यहाँ पे. एंड एरोज वर टिप्ड विथ पॉइंट ऑफ मेटल और पॉइजन हॉर्न. Reference are made to the moving fort and the machine for assaulting stronghold. The king had religious duties also. He was a upholder of the established order and moral values. The Rig Veda speak of assemblies such as Shabha, Shamiti, Vidhat, Gana. Sabha was a committee of few privileged and important individuals. Two popular assemblies, Sabha and Samiti, acted as checks on the arbitrary rule of the kings. Later Vedas record as Sabha functioned as a court of justice. Theft, burglary, stealing of cattle, and cheatings were some of the then prevalent crimes. The Rig Vedic society comprised four varna, namely Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaisya, Sudra. याद करते हैं 10th mandal of Rig Veda. The classification of society was based on the profession or occupations of the individuals. Teachers and priests were called Brahmanas. Ruler administrators were called Kshatriya, farmer, merchant, banker were called Vaishya, and the artisans, laborers were reckoned as Sudras. These vocations were followed by persons according to their ability and liking, and the occupation had not become hereditary as they became later on. Members of the same family took to different professions and belonged to the different varnas as well as illustrated by a hymn of the Rig Veda. In this hymn, a person says, I am a singer, my father is a physician, my mother is a grinder of corn. So here we can see there is no separation or clear-cut division of casteism. The unit of society was family, primarily monogamous and patriarchal. Child marriage was not in vogue, मतलब नहीं हो रहा था practice. A child could marry the younger brother of her deceased husband. इसे नी योग बोला जाता है. A widow could marry the younger brother of her deceased husband. Ni yoga, the father's property was inherited by son. Right to property existed in the respect of movable things like cattle, horse, gold, ornaments, and also in respect of immovable property like land and house. जो अभी का सिस्टम चल रहा है. The home of the teacher was the school where he taught the particular sacred text. Milk and its product curd, butter, ghee form an important part of the diet. There also mention of grain cooked with milk. The meat of fish, birds, and animals was eaten. The cow was already deemed aganya, not to be killed. The Rig Veda prescribes a penalty of death and expulsion from the kingdom to those who kill or injure cows. Alcoholic drinks, sura or soma, were also consumed. Shura and shoma. Aryans were primarily agricultural and pastoral people who reckoned their wealth in terms of cow, amusement including music, dancing, chariot racing, dicing. One stanza in Rig Veda also, the gambler laments say, my wife rejects me and her mother hates me. बहुत ही सही है. Religion during the Rig Vedic time, God worship were generally the personified power of nature. The divine power were capable of conferring both boons and punishments on men. Fire was sacred as it was regarded to be the intermediary between man and God. बिल्कुल आग लगने से मर जाते हैं लोग. There were nearly 23 god, 33 god. Later, the day tradition classified them into three categories of terrestrial, aerial, and intermediate, and celestial. टेरेस्ट्रियल में आते हैं पृथ्वी, अग्नि, सोम, बृहस्पति एंड रिवर्स. एरियल में आते हैं इंद्र, रुद्र, वायु, पर्जन्य. सेलेस्टियल में आते हैं दायु, सूर्य, इन सूर्य, सावित्री, मित्रा, पुषान, विष्णु, वरुणा, आदि, उत्साह, अश्विन. Indra, Agni, and Varuna were the most popular deities in Rig Vedic Aryans. Indra and Purandar, destroyer of the fort. The most important god is Indra. 250 Vedic hymns are devoted to him. Indra, destroyer of the fort, who played the role of warlord and was considered to be the rain god. Agni, the second most important god, 200 Rigvedic hymns are devoted to him. Fire god considered to be the intermediary between the god and the people. Varun, personified water, was supposed to be uphold Rita or natural order. Sada Rit Chali Aayi Reet, the natural order of Rit Gopa. Suryashan was worshipped five forms: Surya, Savitri, Mitra, Pushana, and Vishnu. Suryashan god who used to drive daily across the sky in his chariot driven by 7 horses. शायद उन्हें पता नहीं होगा अर्थ उस समय सन के करीब घूम रहा है, ये तो सोच रहे सन ऐसे चैरियट के साथ घूम रहा है. मित्रा, सोलर गॉड. पुषान, द गॉड ऑफ मैरिज. Regarding growth, herdsmen straying cattle. Vishnu, god which covered earth 3 steps. Soma, originally the plant producing a potent drink during the course of Agni Shahtoma sacrifice could hemp. Bhang, called king of plants, identified later with the moon. The ninth mantra of Rig Veda, which contains 114 hymn, is attributed to Soma. Otherwise, it is called the Soma Mandal. Other gods, goddesses: Rudra, the god of animals; Dayus, the oldest god and the father of the world; Yama, the god of death; Ashwani Natasha, the god of health, youth, and immortality; Aditi, the great mother of the gods; Sindhu, river goddess. Sometimes gods were visualized as animals, but there were no animal worship. The nature of Rig Vedic religion was henotheism, that is, a belief in many gods, but each god standing out in turn as the highest. The religion primarily consists of the worship of God with a simple ceremonial known as yajna or sacrifice. The sacrifice consisted of offering of milk, ghee, grain, flesh, and soma. Economy of Rig Vedic period. The Aryans crossed the nomadic stage, yet great importance was attached to the herds of the cattle. Various animals were domesticated. The Vedic people were probably not familiar with the cat and camel. Tiger was not known, but the wild animals like lion, elephant, boar known to them. In all probability, very little or trade was there. Money and market were known, but they were not extensively used. Cows and gold ornaments of fixed value were media of exchange. Coins were not known. Complexities in producing goods made it appearance. Men of various professions like carpenter, smiths, tanners, weaver, potter, and grinders of corn were there. The art of healing wound and curing diseases were in existence. There were experts in surgery, along with the herbs and drugs. Charms and spells were regarded as equally potential in healing diseases. OPC, Orchard Colored Poetry. तो OCP, ऋग वेद. तो यहाँ हम लोगों ने खत्म किया ऋग वेद पीरियड. लास्ट में मैं एक रिवीजन वीडियो लाऊंगा, सबका की पॉइंट्स रिवीजन करेंगे उसमें. फर्स्ट इसे जल्दी जल्दी खत्म करते हैं. थैंक यू.